over, then put it on 4. Okay, then clean the side of your patient. You don't need to prick in the middle kasi masakit dito. You always need to prick on the side. Okay, 1 stroke out. Okay, then you have to
Aray! Sakit eh.
clean the first blood, then press. Okay,
Walang dugo.
may lumabas ng dugo. Diba?
Wala nang dugo. Wala kang dugo, babe.
And hold. Ay talaga 83, no?
83.
Diyos ko, day. Ay, gutom ka na. Kumain ka na.
Ano po bang normal?
Asa na nga ba?